Hello, beautiful souls. Many of you have been asking how to sell your art without relying on social media. Whether you're tired of posting with little engagement, frustrated by algorithm changes, stressed about keeping up with the latest trends, or maybe you're worried about privacy, we can all agree that it can be tough to reach potential buyers. In this video, I'm going to share 3 powerful, underrated strategies to sell your art and grow your business without social media. You'll learn about SEO, blogging, and how to use Pinterest effectively, all of which can help you reach more potential buyers while staying true to your vision. I also want to share that I've created a comprehensive guide on building a sustainable art business without burnout. So if you're interested into going deeper into these strategies, make sure to check out the links in the description below. Before we begin, if you're new here, I'm Tarra Lu, a mother, artist, and teacher who uses a holistic approach to help others. I encourage fellow artists to do the inner work needed to pursue their passion and purpose. As artists, we often feel pressured to be constantly active on social media. We're told it's the only way to succeed in today's digital world. But I'm here to challenge that notion. I've been on this journey to find more authentic and less draining ways to sell my art and grow my business. These paths feel more aligned with who I am as an artist and a person. And today, I want to share what I've learned and what's been working for me. And make sure to stick to the end of this video because, as I mentioned before, I'm going to share 3 powerful and super underrated strategies you can use to sell your art and grow your business without social media. So whether you're looking to reduce your social media dependency or completely step away from it, this video will provide you with valuable alternatives. I want to first start off by talking about the power of in-person connections. There's something magical about face-to-face interactions that no online platform can replicate. So consider participating in local art fairs, gallery shows, or even organize your own exhibition. These events allow potential buyers to experience your art firsthand and connect with you on a deeper level. When I first started out, I sold my art at different vendor markets. I had better luck vending at events hosted at hotels and museums than at local art fairs. I didn't realize it at that time, but I sold more art at hotels and museums because people who were more likely to attend these events were also attracted to the type of art I created. Now, the drawback is that you do have to pay for booth space, and there are other expenses that go into vending at vendor markets, which can add up. So before setting up shop at an art fair or vendor market, make sure to do your research to see if your art will do well in that environment. Make sure to engage with people, share your story, give them your business cards, and don't be afraid to collect emails. Speaking of emails, unlike social media where algorithms decide who sees your content, emails go directly to your audience. It's a more intimate form of communication that allows you to nurture relationships over time. Start off by offering something of value in exchange for email addresses, such as a free digital print of one of your artwork, or maybe even a comprehensive guide for collectors detailing how to frame and hang up their pieces. You can then provide value through your emails. It's about building a community of people who resonate with your art and your message. I speak more about the importance of email marketing in this video, so make sure to check it out after this one. Another strategy is collaborating with other businesses or artists. Think about local cafes, restaurants, or boutiques that might be interested in displaying your art. This not only gives you exposure, but also creates mutual beneficial partnerships. You could also collaborate with other artists for joint exhibitions or workshops. This allows you to tap into each other's networks and create exciting experiences for your audience. Okay, so earlier I mentioned that there are 3 powerful and underrated strategies you can use to sell your art and grow your business without social media. What these strategies have in common is that they help you build a foundation for your business where people can find you organically through online searches. Even when you're offline or not actively marketing, these methods work behind the scenes and compound over time. First, let's talk about SEO, or search engine optimization. This involves creating content using specific words or phrases that people are searching for, helping your website appear on the first page of search engine results. By optimizing your content, you're giving your business the best chance to be discovered by the right people. SEO is not just about using keywords, it's about creating valuable content that answers your potential buyers' questions. For example, if you create abstract paintings, you might write articles or create videos about how to choose the perfect abstract art for your home. This approach not only helps with SEO, but also positions you as an expert in your field. In today's digital age, having a website is important as an artist and business owner. It's your online gallery, your store, and your point of sale all in one. So invest time in learning about SEO and make sure that your website is optimized, because when done right, SEO can help potential buyers find you organically when they're searching for art like yours. Creating content on YouTube is part of my SEO strategy, so I have to mention it. YouTube is a search engine. People come here looking for specific information, and if you provide value, they'll find you. Videos are also highly engaging, so consider creating videos showcasing your techniques, sharing your inspiration, or even offering tips to fellow artists. This is a great way to connect with other artists, but creating content on YouTube also allows potential buyers to connect with you and see your process. I've sold a couple of paintings right here on YouTube, so I know it works. You have to make sure you're using relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions so that you're discovered by people who will be interested in your content and your art. The key is taking the time to understand how the platform works. That way you can tailor your content and strategy accordingly. Next is blogging. Blogging is a great way to create additional content on your website that can show up in search engines. It's also a way to drive traffic to your website, and this tells Google that your website is active. You can create a blog on your website or use platforms like WordPress, Medium, or Substack. Blogging is an unlimited space where you can showcase your expertise, share your artistic process, and connect more deeply with potential buyers. It can be whatever it is you want it to be. Blogging for artists doesn't always mean writing long articles. The key is to create content that resonates with your potential buyers and keeps them coming back to your website. There are so many keywords and phrases that you can insert in your blog that helps people find you and want to buy your art, because they now feel a more personal connection to you and your art. So if you have a website but you're not blogging, think about integrating blogging into your marketing strategy so that you can enhance your online presence, engage with your audience, and ultimately drive more sales for your art. Also, make sure you're using relevant keywords in your blog so that you're attracting the right people. The third strategy is Pinterest. I don't know about you, but this one surprised me. Earlier this year, a representative from Pinterest had reached out to me to advertise with them. I had a virtual meeting with a business partner there to learn more about Pinterest and how I can use it to sell my art. And what she told me was that, contrary to popular belief, Pinterest isn't social media. I didn't know that. Pinterest is a mini search engine and a tool for people to discover you. It's less competitive than Google, making it easier for your art to be found. Plus, it's designed to bring people directly to your website, which in turn boosts your SEO. What sets Pinterest apart from social media platforms is its longevity and search-focused nature. Unlike Instagram or Facebook posts that disappear in the feed within hours, Pinterest pins can continue driving traffic to your website for months or even years. This makes it an incredibly powerful tool for artists looking for sustainable long-term growth without the constant pressure of daily posting. Now, I've been on Pinterest for years, but I never prioritized it as a way to use it to promote and sell my art, because I didn't know how it worked. But after she educated me on how to use Pinterest, I decided to look up some popular artists on Instagram who make similar art as me. And I noticed they were all up on Pinterest. Leveraging Pinterest is a powerful way to sell your art because users on Pinterest are often looking for inspiration and products to buy, leading to higher conversion rates. You can link your pins directly to your online store, making it easy for users to purchase your art. So because Pinterest is a mini search engine and performs like evergreen content, pins can continue to attract new viewers and provide long-term exposure for your art. So now I make sure I'm not only posting my art on Pinterest, but also my blog posts, because this way I'll bring in more traffic to my website and make my art more discoverable. What I love about these strategies is that they don't require constant online presence. Instead of chasing likes, comments, you're creating a sustainable foundation that continues to work for you even when you're offline creating art. These methods also attract a higher quality audience because the people finding you through search engines or Pinterest are actively seeking what you offer. By focusing on these strategies, you're not just avoiding the social media rat race, you're building a solid foundation for your art business that works for you 24/7, attracting potential buyers even while you sleep or create. This approach aligns perfectly with the artist's lifestyle, giving you more time to focus on what you love most, creating art. Now, you might be thinking, but Tarra, what about instant results? It's true, these strategies don't provide the immediate gratification that social media does. But remember, we're playing the long game here. We're building something sustainable, something that aligns with your energy and supports your business. It does require some initial setup and patience, but you can do it at your own pace. By focusing on SEO, blogging, and Pinterest, you're cutting through the online noise. You're not just adding to the endless scroll. You're providing value to those who seek it. Success in art isn't just about sales. It's about creating a sustainable business that aligns with you. For me, that meant moving away from constant social media updates and focusing on strategy that felt more authentic and less draining. It's also about doing the inner work. As you build your business, you'll likely encounter self-doubt, fear, and limiting beliefs. Don't ignore these feelings. Instead, see them as opportunities for growth and self-discovery. The more aligned you are with your true self, the more your authentic energy will shine through your art and your business. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to selling art. What matters most is finding strategies that resonate with you, align with your values, and fit your desired lifestyle. By focusing on providing value and staying true to yourself, you can build a thriving art business without the need for constant social media presence. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you tried selling your art without social media? If so, what strategies have worked for you? Share it in the comments below and let's continue this conversation. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content on building an authentic and aligned art business. And don't forget to check the description for my guide on building a sustainable art business without burnout. It's packed with tips to help you grow your artistic career authentically and at your own pace. If you're ready to explore these strategies further, this guide is your next step. Remember, you have a unique gift to share with the world. Trust in your path, stay true to your vision, and keep creating from your heart. Until next time.